Got a photo, but don't want a certain face shown? With Canva, blurring faces is super simple. I will walk you through it step by step. First thing first, you need to upload the photo into Canva. Just drag and drop it onto the workplace. Then click on the picture to open the editing options. Now comes the important bit. Find the blur tool. Don't get it mixed with the blur effect, which makes the whole image blurry. The blur tool lets you selectively blur just parts of the photo. However, you will need to use Canva Alt Editor to access the blur tool. So find a section where you can click the link to switch editors. While the new one is slick, it doesn't have this tool. In the Alt Editor, scroll down to see the blur tool, then click on it. You will get 3 choices: Auto Blur, Blur and Restore. Pick the Blur. Blur gives you control over the intensity, spread and brush size of the blurring. Crank them up and down depending on how blurry you want that face. To blur the face, hover over it until you see a circle icon. Click and drag over the face and then hold the left mouse button to apply the blur. You can repeat the blurring if needed, changing the intensity as you go. Faces aren't the only objects you can blur. Any text or objects in the pic can get this treatment. Just select your target and blur it. And that's it. With Canva Blur Tool, you are armed and ready to blur faces and objects in seconds. Quick, easy and free. What more could you ask for? Give it a try next time you have a photo you want to share, but keep private details in. This simple trick helps you avoid oversharing. Did you find these tips useful? Have any questions? Hit me up in the comments and remember to like and subscribe to more Canva tutorials.